The question is MCQ exam. Okay, and this is also easy level question. Okay, we have given a problem statement. The problem statement is Sara has an MCQ exam containing 100 questions this Sunday, but she isn't prepared. She came to know that in her exam, the P number of questions will have A as the correct option. Q number of questions will have B as the correct option. Okay. R number of questions will have C as the correct options. Okay. S number of questions will have D as the correct option. Okay. Sara doesn't know the order of questions. If Sara filled the MCQs optimally using the above information, what will be the maximum of minimum marks she can get? Okay, so here we have given four integers as an input, that is p, q, r and s. Okay, so p, q, r, s will always be 100. Okay, and we have to print the maximum marks Sara can get. Okay, okay. So we have given some sample input and output. Here sample input is given 8, 10, 20 and 62. In this, the maximum marks of Sara can get is, that is 62. So the output should be 62. Okay. So in this question, we can do this like by using, we'll take one for loop for these four numbers that will run from 1 to 4, and after getting these four numbers as the input, then simply we can sort this array, and after sorting we can easily find the maximum marks Sara can get. Okay, so let's try to code this program. Okay, so here first we'll take the input, so we'll take the scanner class, scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, okay, after that let's suppose we'll take one array for this four number of questions, that is p, q, r and s. So we will take one array equals to new int. Okay, and here now here the number of questions is 4, that is p, q, r and s. Okay, so the size of the array will be 4. Okay, okay, so now we'll try the for loop to take the array as input. I equals to 0, I is less than 4, sorry, I is less than 4, then I plus plus. Okay, now we'll write array of I equals to sc dot next int. Okay, so we have taken the array as input for these four number of questions. Okay, now after getting the array as input, we'll simply sort this array by using arrays dot sort method. arrays dot sort, and we'll pass the array inside this function. Okay, now after sorting the array, we'll simply print the last element of the array. So we'll write system dot out dot print ln. Okay, by using this arrays dot sort method, this array can be sorted. Okay, okay. After sorting the array, we can simply print the last element of the array. So the last after sorting, the last element is the maximum number. So we'll directly print the last element of the array. Okay, so we'll write array n minus, will print the end element. Okay, so we have printed the last element. Okay, we have written our code. Now let's try to run. I have copied the input. Let's paste it in a input. Okay, and now let's try to run the code. And let's see what it is showing. Here. Uh, okay, here the. Mhm. Okay, so here there is no n we have declared. So how we can print, that is size of array, that is 4, and 4 minus 1, we can write like this, or we can simply write the array of 3. Okay, so that is the, because the array is this loop runs from 0 to 3 for the 4 elements. Okay, that's why we have written 3. You can return 3, or okay, so we have written system.out.println array of 3 will print the last element of the array. So we'll try to run this code. Let's see. Okay, see, output is showing 62. That is correct. So now let's try to submit the code. Okay, the test cases is running now. See, all the test cases are passed. That's it.